My name is DeAndre,
And I'm Melissa.
and today we're going to teach you how to launch your CRM with a bang. So, just installing a new CRM system isn't good enough. You have to get your teams to adopt it and use it consistently for it to be effective. In order to do so, you need to sell it to them. That's right, you've got to sell it.
Yep. And in order to sell it, have a launch where your employees can get involved and excited for implementation of the new system. Describe the benefits and explain how it can make their jobs easier. Hold demonstrations to give your employees a base level understanding of how the system is supposed to work, and invest in training to ensure that your team gets a more in-depth understanding of the CRM system.
You can even try something fun, perhaps a launch party, a fun instructional article on your intranet, or an infographic. So a good launch can be instrumental to your system's success.
For more tips and tricks on how you can make your CRM work best for you and your business, check out our MasterSolve blog.